Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside, snow is falling and friends are calling you.
So we out here at the gas station. Ralphie boy's actually coming with us today.
Yo!
Gang, 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 gang. I knew it was gonna happen.
All I see is one.
Damn, dude. Shit. It didn't make it. We still have 45 minutes left. Shit.
Fuck! Sorry.
Nah, you're good. Alright guys, time to start peeling it off.
Well, that didn't work. Zach still didn't work.
With the windshield, you have to put your hand out again.
Oh well.
What is this? Hey, bro. Yeah, what the fuck? That's how you keep the top.
Hey, at least I can drive like safely.
Yeah, well, fuck this shit.
Yo, Ralph swerved out of the fucking way.
Is that water?
Yeah, it's not me. It's water.
All I see is a huge cape come up in the air. I'm like, there's the hood.
That shit's funny. Yo, I taped it to the hood wrong too.
For this Rocket Bunny EG, okay, and I'm asking him, how do I be a vlogger? So do I just like videotape and then upload to YouTube?
You just gotta be very loud and
Very loud.
very clear with your words.
Hey, man.
Rolling? He's rolling?
Yeah, I'm rolling.
Hey, nice jacket, bro.
Thanks, man.
Guys, we out here.
Yo.
Let me ask you a question.
What's up?
How much did you spend with the Snap-on guy to get this jacket?
He gave it to me for like 80.
80 bucks.
Yeah.
It's not bad. Okay.
I know they're usually, I think retail's like
80 bucks for his jacket.
So what's up, guys? We out here, like I said.
What's
My
up?
boy
What's
Ralph's
up?
We're at the toy drive.
It's going good.
MC
I know they
Slick's
go
here.
for like fucking.
Alex.
I got mine.
What's up?
I got mine for free.
We got Richie.
Here.
We got Val.
We out here.
We got, what's her name again?
Sammy.
We got Amy in the house. Let's get the day started.
Lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling.
So Val's mad over here.
And he's being difficult.
She's fucking angry, and she's over here yelling at me. Why don't you shut the F up? We're going to Papa John's. Wait, I gotta focus it.
Fake ass pizza.
Well, guys, so far so good. There's not that many cars, but at least we're chilling.
At least his car's there.
At least my car's there. You know, it's nice. Anyways, yeah, there's not that many people, but at least we brought some presents for the kids. MC Slick is actually gonna bring them tomorrow because he can't bring them today. So, yeah, time to fucking eat. What you want, Val? I want food. That's what I want. But it's not full. I want bacon. Why are you mad? Well, you wait there while I go meet all these people over there.
You're annoying. At least if you're right, I'm not carrying it.
You're carrying it. Yeah, I think they're leaving, dude.
Alright, well, I'll bring it.
Alright, good. Bring my drink too. Peace. Alright, guys. I guess everybody's packing up their cars, so I have to fucking run over there now and help them out. I also got to start my car because it's really, really cold. Oh boy, this nigga almost hit me. Oh shit. Shit stacked. You taking them tomorrow, right?
Yeah, tomorrow morning. Top of the world.
Yeah.
I'm gonna open it.
Oh. Oh.
2 slices are gone.
What's up, guys? So we just finished the car meet. It was an amazing day. We got to meet a lot of new people.
Wonderful turnout. It was actually really
great turnout. MC Slick, like I said, is gonna bring the gifts tomorrow. So we're gonna peace out because it's getting a little cold.
It's freezing out here, so we gotta go. But Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you
and
guys.
Happy holidays to everybody.
I'm gonna keep vlogging at least once a week, guys. I'm gonna try to keep these vlogs up and going for you, but there's not too much to do because it's winter. All right, guys, take it easy.
All right, have
Keep
a good one,
modified.
everybody.